Whenever we travel longer distances, the first thing we do is to choose a public transport and buy a ticket. We go to the bus depot or to the railway station to board these means of public transport. Any money spent on purchasing tickets is called currency. Different countries have different currencies. The Indian currency is called rupee. Our currency consists of coins and banknotes. Money in physical form is also called cash. Coins. Coins are made of various metals. Coins are round and flat and have two sides. In India, we have 1 rupee, 2 rupee, 5 rupee and 10 rupee coins in use. Coins are issued by the Indian government at 4 different locations in India. They have the year of minting marked on them. Every coin has a picture of our national emblem inscribed on one side. The other side of the coin shows the value along with an image of India or a hand or Gandhiji or flour or wheat. Bank notes. In India, people use 5, 10, 20, 50, 100, 500 and 1000 rupee notes. Notes of different values have different imprints and logos on them. They come in different sizes and colors. The Indian rupee, Hindi rupiah, code INR, is the official currency of India. The release of Indian currency is controlled by the Reserve Bank of India. The symbol for the Indian rupee is a combination of the Devanagari Ra and Roman R. This symbol was created by D. Uday Kumar and was selected by our Finance Minister Pranab Mukherjee on 15th July 2010. This symbol reflects Indian culture. The series of banknotes started in 1996 are called the Mahatma Gandhi series. The currency notes are printed at the Currency Note Press Nasik, Bank Note Press Devas, Bharatiya Note Mudra Nigam Private Limited Press, Salboni and Mysore, Watermark Paper Manufacturing Mill, Hoshangabad. On each banknote, the amount, that is denomination, is written in 17 different Indian languages. It is written in English and Hindi on one side and in 15 Indian languages on the other side. One side has a picture of Mahatma Gandhi. The other side may have the picture of a rhinoceros, an elephant, a tiger, palm trees, Parliament of India, the Himalayas or the Dandi March. Interesting features of a banknote. The white side panel of a note has a watermark depicting Mahatma Gandhi. A silver security thread band with the inscription can be seen on all notes when held against the light. The number panel glows under ultraviolet light. Every currency note has a different number printed on it. The bottom left corner of a note has the national emblem of India. These features discourage the making of fake, that is counterfeit notes. Traveling to another place. Goa is a beautiful tourist spot in the western part of India. It lies on the coast of the Arabian Sea in the Konkan region. Swaying palm and coconut trees and golden sands increase its natural beauty. Panaji is the capital of Goa. People of Goa. Goa was once owned by Portugal, a European country. Its buildings, culture, and people's names reflect its early history. Goan Catholic women get married in white saris, that is whole, and change into a red dress or sari known as at home. Accessories including a variety of jewelry are worn on the head, ears, necks and arms. Goa is renowned for its beaches, places of worship and World Heritage architecture. The major festivals celebrated here are Diwali, Christmas and New Year. The major languages spoken here are Konkani and Marathi. The major occupation is fishing and farming. Climate of Goa. Goa has a moderate climate except during the monsoons, which last from June to September. The average temperature varies between 25 degrees Celsius and 30 degrees Celsius, that is 77 degrees Fahrenheit to 86 degrees Fahrenheit. The average annual rainfall is approximately 325 centimeters. Food. Rice with fish curry is the staple food. Coconuts and coconut oil are widely used. The most popular alcoholic beverage in Goa is Feni. It is made either from the sap of toddy palms or the fruit of cashew trees.